Ignatius and welcome to the section of grade 9 CBSE Maths class. Today we are looking at the chapter number 12, Heron's formula. And this formula, Heron's formula, is used to find the area of a triangle. You all know how to find the area of a triangle. You know the equation as half into base into height. Half into base into height gives the area of a triangle. When we are considering a triangle, and this is our triangle, and this is the base, this is the height. When we multiply half into base into height, we got the area of the triangle. We got the area of the triangle. Okay. But when a triangle with all the three sides are given but not height is given, how will you find the area of the triangle? If the height is given or right angle triangle is given with the altitude given, then you can use half into base into height. But when a triangle, it's a scale, consider a scalene triangle, with all three sides are given, then how will you find the area of this triangle? At that condition, at that time, Heron formula is useful for us. When all the three sides are given, then we can easily find the area of the triangle using this Heron's formula. Now, I am considering a triangle. This is our triangle, and A, B, C. This is our triangle. And the length of the three sides is taken as small letter A, small letter B, and small letter C. So, area of this triangle can be found out using our Heron formula. And the formula is that area is equal to, area is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the equation for finding area of the triangle using Heron's formula. Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A, B and C are the sides of the triangle. A, B and C are the sides of the triangle. A, B and C are the sides of the triangle. Then what is S? S is the semi-perimeter. S is the semi-perimeter. That means half of the perimeter. How will we find perimeter? We can find perimeter by A plus B plus C. That is sum of the length of the sides. Then semi-perimeter means this divided by 2. That is A plus B plus C divided by 2 gives semi-perimeter. By substituting the values to the equation, we get the area of the triangle. That is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the equation to find area of a triangle. This is what called Heron's formula. Now we can check one example and then move to the problems related to this chapter. As a theoretical portion, we are having only this formula for this chapter. You have to study only this equation, root of S into S minus B into S minus C. Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is the only theory portion we have to study, and then we have to solve some problems. Now look, if the sides of the triangle is given as 2, 4 and 6. The sides of the triangle is given as 2, 4 and 6. How will we find the area of this triangle? First of all, we have to find the semi-perimeter S. So, given sides are A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 6. These are the three sides of the triangle. Now, how will you find the semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. That is 2 plus 4 plus 6 whole divided by 2. That is equal to 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. We got the value of semi-perimeter S as 6. Now, Write the Heron's formula. Area is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the formula. Substitute the value of S, A, B and C in this equation. That is root of, what is S? 6 into S minus A, that is 6 minus 2 into S minus B, that is 6 minus 4. Then what is C? Is 6 minus 6. So what will happen? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 divided by 2, it is 6. What's the third term? It is 6 minus 6, that is 0. It is 6 minus 6, that is 0. So the whole answer becomes 0. How area of a triangle becomes 0? You know any triangle having area 0? No. No triangle having area 0. Then how we get 0 as the answer? Because by 2, 4 and 6 as the length of the three sides, we cannot construct a triangle. By 2, 4 and 6 as lengths of the sides of the triangle, we cannot construct a triangle. That's why here we got the answer as 0. Now check once more. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. That is 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 divided by 2. That is 6. The equation is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is root of S is 6. 6 minus 2 into 6 minus 4 into 6 minus third side is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. The whole answer becomes 0. Therefore, constructing a triangle like this is not possible. Constructing a triangle like this is not possible. So that's why we got the answer as 0. Just for an example, I just take 3 values and solve one. So in the text, there are more problems and we can solve problems related to this equation. Okay. Now moving to the problems related to Heron's formula. First question is, the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. So we are having a triangular plot and its perimeter is given as 300 meter. That is, perimeter is given as 300 meter. Perimeter is given as 300 meter. And the ratio of sides is given as 3:5:7. For finding the sides, just take the sides as 3s, x, 5x and 7x. Okay. Here the ratio is given as A is to B is to C. That is, A, B and C are our sides. That is, A is to B is to C is 3:5:7. A is to B is to C is equal to 3:5:7. For finding the sides, just take A is equal to 3x, B is equal to 5x and C is equal to 7x. This is the simplest method. So, A plus B plus C is equal to 3x plus 5x plus 7x. That is 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15x. Clear? Okay. So, A plus B plus C is the perimeter. That is 15x. This is given as 300 meter. So, perimeter is given as 300 meter. Then x can be found out. X is equal to 300 divided by 15. That is equal to 20. X is 20. So now we can write A is equal to 3 into 20. That is, A is taken as 3x. Therefore, 3 into 20. 20 into 3, 60. Then B is equal to 5 into 20. That is 5x. That is equal to 100. Then C is equal to 7 into 20. Sorry, 7 into 20. C is equal to 7 into 20. That is 140. Now we got all the three sides as A is equal to 60, B is equal to 100 and C is equal to 140. Now we need S. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. A plus B plus C is 300. That is 100 plus 60, 160 plus 140 is 300. 300 divided by 2 is equal to 150. That is semi-perimeter is 150. Now area is equal to, by Heron formula we have root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Substituting the values, root of S is 150. 150 into 150 minus 60 into 150 minus 100 into 150 minus 140. That is equal to root of 150 into 150 minus 60. What is 150 minus 60? It is 90 into what is 150 minus 100? It is 50 into what is 150 minus 140? It is 10. That is 150 into 90 into 50 into 10. That is 150 into 90 into 50 into 10 is 500. Then 150 into 90 into 5. Then 9 into 5 is 45. Then we can write root 150 into 9 into 5, 45. Then 3 zeros. Then which is equal to, what is 150 into 45,000? 15 into 45. What is 15 into 45? 5 into 5, 25. Remainder 2. 5 into 1, 5 plus 2, 7. 4 into 5, 20. Remainder 2. 4 into 1, 4 plus 2, 6. That is 5, 7, 6. Which is equal to 6, 7, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So root of this will give the area. Root of this answer will give the area. You have to find the root of this large number. Then you get the area of this triangle. This is the method to solve the area of this triangle. Now moving to the second question. What is the second question? Find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. And the perimeter is 42 centimeter. And the perimeter is 42 centimeter. So two sides are given, that is A is equal to 18 centimeter and the second side is given B is equal to 10 centimeter and perimeter is given as 42 centimeter. Perimeter is given as 42 centimeter. So we have to find the third side. Third side C is equal to perimeter A minus A plus B. A plus B plus C gives perimeter. So for finding third side, perimeter minus A plus B. Perimeter is 42 minus A plus B. 18 plus 10 is 28. That is equal to 42 minus 28. 28 plus 10, 38 plus 4. That is 14. So third side is 14 centimeter. Now what is S? Semi-perimeter. S is equal to perimeter 42 divided by 2. It is 21. Now by Heron formula we have area is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Substituting the values, root of, what is S? It is 21. 21 into S minus A, that is 21 minus 18 into what is S minus B? 21 minus 10 into what is S minus C? 21 minus 14. Now solving this, we get root of 21 into what is 21 minus 18? That is 3 into what is 21 minus 10? 11 into what is 21 minus 14? It's 7. So we have to multiply this. What is 21 into 3? It is 63. Into what is 11 into 7? It is 77. That is root of 63 into 77. Now how we can simplify this? So 63 can be written as 9 into 7 into 77. So root 9 can be written as 3 into root 7 into 77. So what is 7 into 77? 7 into 7, 49. Remainder 4. 7 into 7, 49 plus 4, 53. That is equal to 3 root 539 centimeter square. Since area is, unit of area is centimeter square. Here the values are given in centimeter, therefore area is centimeter square. If it is given in meter, then it is meter square. Now you have to check whether all the calculations are right. I am writing right now in the board and calculating now itself in the board. So maybe some numerical error happens. So you have to check all these are right. Again check all this multiplication, division, and then find the final answer. Okay. This is the method for solving area of a triangle using Heron's formula. Now both the problems are clear. Okay. And look at the next question. This is the last question in this chapter. Sania has a piece of land which is in the shape of a rhombus. Which is in the shape of a rhombus. What is a rhombus? What is the peculiarity of a rhombus? You know that all the four sides of a rhombus are equal. She wants her one daughter and one son to work on the land and produce different crops. She divided the land into two equal parts. So the land which is in the shape of a rhombus was divided into two equal parts. If the perimeter of the land is 400 meter, the perimeter of the land is given as 400 meter, and one of the diagonals is 160 meter. One of the diagonals is 160 meter. How much area each of them will get for their crops? So we want to find the area of both pieces which were cultivated by one daughter and one son of Sania. So this is the piece of land which is in the shape of a rhombus. Okay, this is the piece of land. I just named it as A, B, C, and D. And we are given that the perimeter of the land is 400 meter. That is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to 400 meter. And for a rhombus, all the four sides are equal. For a rhombus, all the four sides are equal. Therefore, each side is equal to 400 divided by 4, that is equal to 100. Each sides are 100 meter long. Each sides are 100 meter long. Now, one of the diagonal is given as 160 meter. One of the diagonal is given as 160 meter. Now, we have to find the area of land each will get. So, in triangle ADC now formed. In triangle ADC, look at the triangle. All the three sides are given. A is equal to 100 meter, B is equal to 100 meter, and C is equal to 160 meter. Now we have to find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C whole divided by 2, that is equal to 100 plus 100 plus 160 divided by 2, that is equal to 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 160, 360 divided by 2, which is 180, and semi-perimeter is 180. Now area is equal to, by Heron's formula, it is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is equal to root of, what is S? It is 180. 180 into, what is S minus A? That is 180 minus 100. What is S minus B? 180 minus 100. What is S minus C? 180 minus 160. Clear? Now for solving this, I am rubbing the question. So area is equal to root of 180 into, what is 180 minus 100? It is 80 into, then 180 minus 100 again 80 into 180 minus 160, it is 20. Now we have to multiply it and find the square root. For easy calculation, I am just factorizing all the terms. So this 180 can be written as 90 into 2 into 80 can be written as 40 into 2. Again 80 can be written as 40 into 2 into 20 can be written as 10 into 2. So from this we can write 90 into 40 into 40 into 10. Remaining 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 2s are there. Okay. So this can be written as 90 into 10 into 40 into 40 can be written as 40 square. Into 2 into 2 can be written as 2 square. Into again 2 into 2 can be written as 2 square. So when the 40 square is taken out from the root, it becomes 40. Into 2 square becomes 2, again 2 square becomes 2. What remains in the root? It's only 90 into 10. Clear? That is equal to 40 into 2, 80, 80 into 2, 160. 160 into root 90 into 10, it's 900. What is root 900? It is 160 into, what is root 900? 30 into 30 is 900. That is 160 into 30. Therefore, it is 16 into 3. What is 16 into 3? It is 48. Then 2 zeros. That is 400, 4,800 meter square. So, each child of Sania will get 4,800 meter square of area to cultivate their crops. For cultivation or for agriculture, they got 4,800 meter square area. That means in the shape of a rhombus, field is in the shape of a rhombus, and Sania divided it into two parts. And both the parts are in the shape of a triangle, and both will get 4,800 meter square area of land for their cultivation. Okay, by Heron's formula we can solve the same, and the area of this portion is 4,800. Then the same will be for this portion 4,800. Both will get the same area 4,800 meter square. Clear? That's all about the chapter Heron's formula. It's a simple chapter. Only one formula have to study. That is area is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus d. This is the only formula we have to study in this chapter. And based on this formula, all the problems are asked. So, if this formula is clear, you can solve all the problems. Okay. That's all about the chapter Heron's formula. I am Nitishas, and thank you for joining me in this section. Let us meet with another topic in another day.